the phrase that's called hit the sack. Hit the sack ማለት ምን ይመስላችኋል? Hit the sack. That means go to bed ማለት go to bed. Yeah. Let's have an example. I'm tired. I'm going to hit the sack. I'm tired. I'm going to hit the sack. That means I'm going to go bed. That is the meaning. All right. The next word is break a leg. What do you mean by break a leg? Break a leg means wishing someone for a luck. Just wishing for someone luck. For example, let's say you have an examination tomorrow. So break a leg. That means I wish you good luck for tomorrow's test. This is what it means. All right. The next word is called under the weather. Under the weather means that if someone is getting under the weather, that means his feeling is ill. His feeling is ill. For example, let's say an example. I've been feeling under the weather for this week. Another word is call it a day. Call it a day means you have finished doing something. Call it a day means you have finished doing something or some tasks. For example, let's say we all are trying to. So let's call it a day. We can say that. All right. The other word is called spill the beans. Spill the beans means it's supposed to be a secret. So don't tell anything for anybody. That should be a secret. That means the meaning. Let's say an example. Don't tell, spill the pan. It's supposed to be a secret. Okay, the other word is don't round the bush. Don't round the bush. That means don't round to tell me the point. Don't go just tell me the point or the exact point. That means don't round the bush means that. Let's say an example. Please don't round the bush. Just getting in the track. Please don't round the bush into the track. That's enough for today. Thanks so much. I love you. Bye bye. See you next time.